Welcome to Sphere. I am Price Time, and you're watching Sphere TV. Preon Finance is committed to expanding access to powerful DeFi tools to as many users as possible by lowering the barrier of entry and focusing on convenience of use. Within a week of the first phase of Preon's launch, Preon has established 3 Nebula Vaults or collateral options for borrowing the STAR stablecoin, spread out across 2 different chains. wETH and wstETH vaults are currently available on the Arbitrum network, and a wMATIC vault is currently available on the Polygon network. Though rest assured that the Nebula Vault options and chains available will continue to expand. Now, from the very beginning, we mentioned that omni-chain compatibility was a priority to be achieved through Layer 0, a secure omni-chain compatibility protocol. With Layer 0, both STAR and PREON can seamlessly scale. And now, using this Layer 0 integration, users can now bridge their borrowed STAR to and from compatible chains. For example, if a user deposits wETH to borrow STAR on Arbitrum, they can now bridge that STAR from Arbitrum to Polygon and vice versa for a small fee. This is advantageous when a user wishes to collateralize a certain asset on one chain and then take advantage of a yield opportunity on another chain. For example, currently there are opportunities to yield farm STAR using Chronos on Arbitrum and using Retro on Polygon, with more STAR incentives to come. So if a user wishes to collateralize wMATIC to borrow STAR on Polygon, to then use to yield farm with Chronos on Arbitrum, bridging allows them to do exactly that. The process is simple. Start with your wallet connected to the network where your STAR is located, let's say Arbitrum. Then click Bridge to open the menu. If needed, you can change the direction of the swap by selecting the chain in the drop-down menus, or by simply using the flip button. The destination address will default to your connected address, but you can change this if you so choose by copy-pasting in the desired address. Just be sure what you entered is correct before you proceed. Next, enter the amount of STAR you wish to bridge or click Max, and once you are satisfied with the bridge parameters, go ahead and click Bridge and confirm the transactions. Once confirmed on chain and through Layer 0, your STAR will bridge to the destination chain. And that's it! You'll have successfully bridged your STAR to use as you best see fit. Remember that you can always bridge STAR back to the original chain if and when you need to repay your loan. Visit us on Discord to stay up to date on announcements and join our community. This video and channel is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence in order to make sound financial decisions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and always remember that you matter for who you are. The process is simple. Start with your wallet connected to the network where your